It's Jason West here from Funnel Demos. I just want to help you out if you're using WordPress and ClickFunnels, or maybe you're just using WordPress at the moment and you're interested in using ClickFunnels, and you might want to kind of combine the two to create your marketing website, which is what seems to happen quite a lot for people. WordPress has obviously got tons of benefits. It's great for SEO and so on, very flexible, tons of plugins that you can have. And ClickFunnels is brilliant at what it does in terms of literally building out funnels and having a nice customized checkout process, membership capability, email, all the rest of it. So here's inside my ClickFunnels account, and I'm just going to quickly now show you what I've done. Because one of the things about ClickFunnels is that the actual drag and drop editor is so nice. It's so nice. It's the best that I've used. I've really got to be honest and say, I can't think of one that's better. So say, for example, this page here, which I have created in ClickFunnels. Let's get that on. There we are. So you can see, it looks pretty cool. It's very, very neat. I've got a massive widescreen. So, if there's a big gap either side, that's why. But even so, it looks really, really good. And this didn't take me too long at all to whip out with ClickFunnels. But in fact, what inspired me to do it in ClickFunnels and not my own WordPress website was because I just found like the plugin that I'm using to make the pages a little bit frustrating. It's just Thrive Themes Architect plugin. It is pretty good, but it's just a little bit too finicky and advanced for me for speed. So what I did was create this page that you can see now. In ClickFunnels, you've got the benefit of being able to create your own custom URL, which is very, very important. So I chose the URL, there's my domain and so on. But now, if you just go to WordPress, your WordPress site, you can very easily just click Add New there and then create a sort of custom URL on your own main domain for that website. So in my case is onlinepropertycourses.com. And you can see here, for example, let's just copy this link and paste it straight in over the top. Or actually, let's just go into this so you can see exactly how it works. This is the free ClickFunnels plugin. You basically just choose the page type, choose the funnel in question, and then choose the step in the funnel. So over here, look, you can see here's the steps. We've chosen this step here, which is the course page. And then you just literally type in what you want to call it. You just type in the custom slug for WordPress, and that will be the URL right there. And now if I visit that URL, as you can see, it will just load up and look exactly the same as that one, but it's on my main WordPress website. So it's a really good free plugin. It also, uses all of the SEO side of things from ClickFunnels. So the meta tags and everything will all be from ClickFunnels, and you type them in. Let me go back over here. So you still get a good SEO friendly website. If we just click edit the page. Sorry, my camera keeps disappearing, guys, but that's just the way that works. I'm using Use Loom, which is very cool at that, by the way. So yeah, up here, if you go to settings and then SEO metadata on the right-hand side, you can type in all your usual stuff, keywords, description, title tag, and everything. It even gives you a preview there of what it looks like in the search engines, which is really useful. So that's how you combine pages from ClickFunnels to your WordPress site. The other thing that I've done is, for example, within my WordPress site, so this is my WordPress site now, when someone actually goes to buy a course from me, it will then take them to ClickFunnels checkout to go and buy it. So that's nice as well. You can put this on a custom URL if you want to too, but I've just kept it on here because, once they've clicked through, this isn't like for an SEO page or anything like that, so it doesn't matter. But I think they play together quite nicely, actually, WordPress and, good old ClickFunnels. So, hopefully that's given you the confidence to mix the two. If you were sort of unsure which one to use, well, now you don't need to worry because you can combine them both if you want to. They've both got their benefits. That's the bottom line. So it's nice not to rely necessarily fully on one or the other, but be able to combine them. So I hope that helped, guys. Any comments, just plop them underneath and I'll get back to you. Thanks a lot.